Did you know there is an aftermarket solution for a soft close tailgate that's inexpensive, DIY friendly, and only takes about 15 or 20 minutes to install? In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to turn a slamming tailgate into a much softer experience. This is the Orion Motor Tech Tailgate Assist Shock. I picked this up on Amazon, and at the time of making this video, these are running right around 20 bucks. I'll drop an affiliate link for this down in the video description, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. Let's get into the installation. Here's what comes in the kit. We've got the shock itself, 2 mounting plates, a low profile bolt, thread locker, a Torx wrench, Mylar sheet, and the instruction manual. To get started, I'm going to remove the tailgate cable from the driver's side cable mount. Now, using the Torx wrench that came with the kit, I'm going to remove the driver's side cable mount. This is the top shock mount plate, and it only has one hole. We're going to take the cable mount, put it through the hole, and we're going to reattach it to the truck. Before I tighten up the cable mount, I'm going to install a small piece of the Mylar that came with the kit. This will prevent the shock from rubbing off any paint. Now, using the Torx wrench that came with the kit, we'll tighten up the cable mount. The bottom shock bracket mounts over the tailgate hinge bracket. First, I'll remove the top bolt with a 10mm wrench. Next, I'll remove the bottom bolt, and I'm going to replace it with the low profile bolt that came with the kit. Before I install the bolt, I'll put some of the thread locker that came with the kit onto the new bolt. This is the orientation for the bottom shock plate. We want to make sure that slot is on the top bolt. And now we'll tighten down the bolts. 10mm on the top and a T30 for the new low profile bolt that goes on the bottom. Now we'll install the shock with the logo on the upper side. The shock snaps right into place by simply pressing the shock onto the shock mounts with your thumb. And to do the bottom shock, I'll do the same thing. This one needs a little help, so I'm going to use the back end of my screwdriver. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Wow! Here's my tailgate before and after. Don't forget, I'll drop a product link for this down in the video description. As an Amazon associate, I do earn from qualifying purchases. A project like this in the sun would not be possible without some shade. Be sure to check out this review video for my 10x10 pop-up canopy. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you'll watch again.